Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the notebook and navigating to the page you'll link from. Make sure editing is enabled. Using the shape tool or lasso, draw a precise hotspot around the text or area you want interactive. Once selected, tap the object, choose link, then create link. This starts the actual connection process. You're doing this now to keep context clear. Linking from a visual area reduces mistakes. After you create the first hotspot, you'll pick a destination. Let's move to that next. Once done creating the hotspot, choose the destination. Pick a specific page, a page range, or an external URL. This is why planning your notebook structure first helps. Make sure you name the link clearly so you remember its purpose, and then refine the hotspot. Resize it, tweak opacity, or align it with handwriting. Test the navigation immediately by tapping the hotspot. If it jumps to the wrong place, edit or delete and repeat. Make sure to keep link names consistent across similar templates. Finalize by testing every link in sequence, then lock the page or layer so hotspots don't shift during later edits. This preserves alignment. When sharing, export as PDF with links preserved, or share the Goodnotes document if you want full interactivity retained. If a link doesn't work, make sure you export it with link preservation enabled, and that your recipient uses a PDF viewer that supports internal links. Also check you're on the latest Goodnotes version. If issues persist, recreate the hotspot and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.